In this video, we will walk you through a powerful new feature introduced in FluidFlow version 3.54, the Back Calc input. The Back Calc input tool allows you to determine what input value for an element will achieve a specific result elsewhere in your model. This saves time and eliminates guesswork when configuring your system. Let's look at a simple example, modeling a temperature control valve. In this system, the inlet contains water at 25 degrees Celsius and 2.5 bar gauge. The outlet is set to 1.5 bar gauge. In between, we have a shell and tube heat exchanger that applies a fixed temperature change of 80 degrees Celsius. We need to determine how much cold fluid must pass through the temperature control valve to achieve target temperatures of 85 and 95 degrees Celsius in pipe -4. First, let's find the flow required to reach 85 degrees Celsius. Navigate to the Tools menu and select Back Calc Input. The Back Calc Input value window will open. Under Target, select the element where you want to specify the result. In this case, it's pipe -4. For result property, we need to define the temperature, so select In Static Temperature. Enter 85 degrees Celsius as the target value. Next, define the source element, the component whose input will be adjusted. Here, it's the temperature control valve, represented as Flow Control Valve 4. For input property to be defined, select Design Flow. We'll specify a search range between 15 and 40 cubic meters per hour and set the change increment to 0.5. Once all inputs are set, click Run. FluidFlow will automatically iterate through the flow values, updating the flow sheet in real time. When the calculation finishes, the closest matching flow is displayed. You can also view detailed results via the Report and the Chart tabs. Now that you have the closest match, you can then enter this value into the control valve's Design Flow field using the Input Editor. After clicking Calculate, you'll see the temperature at pipe -4 is now 85 degrees Celsius as required. For the second scenario, let's create a copy of this model to determine the flow needed to achieve 95 degrees Celsius. Again, go to Tools, Back Calc Input. In Target, select the appropriate pipe element. Enter 95 degrees Celsius as the target value. The source element will be the other control valve, and all other settings will stay the same. Click Run. After the calculation, the closest matching flow, 16.5 cubic meters per hour, is displayed. Enter this flow rate into the Design Flow input. When you recalculate, the inlet static temperature updates to approximately 95.1 degrees Celsius. If you need higher precision, you can reduce the change increment to fine-tune the result further. With the new Back Calc input feature in FluidFlow 3.54, you can quickly pinpoint input values that meet your process requirements, improving accuracy and saving valuable time.